My name is Holly Erickson, and I'm from the STEM Center in West Fargo, North Dakota. I am applying to be a STEM teacher as researcher and hopefully end up at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory this June.
What if we make 25?
What you just saw there was a clip from my classroom this past week where my students are learning about the Common Core standard of rates and proportions and scale drawings. I run my classroom a little bit differently than the typical 7th grade math teacher in my district, where my standards more guide what I'm doing instead of per se my textbook. I do some worksheets, but typically my projects are in my classroom, and it's very hands-on and engaging. I want kids to experience math, to know it, to own it, so that they use it later and not just a one and done. The scale drawings have a dual purpose. They have to learn it, and we're currently in the unit called eCyber Mission. eCyber Mission is a national competition where I was able to help write and guide some of their curriculum this past summer with 10 other colleagues. With eCyber Mission, the students have to find a problem in their local community, and they have to solve it with their own prototype or their way that they think is best. Scale drawings go right into there because our students need to make that prototype. With 7th graders, their first time at this competition, they need that gentle guidance on what makes a good scale drawing. So with my classroom and having those snippets, we were able to come up with a list of lessons learned that was probably 30 plus, down to just making sure you make those little ticks when you are measuring longer distances so you don't end up slanting a rectangle and being off by 1/4 of an inch or something like that. It was pretty amusing. With eCyber Mission, you'll notice in the upcoming clips that we even have people from our industries come in to help guide our students.